Today, I do want to talk about an amazing tool by Salesforce that comes with out of box for data modeling in Salesforce. And it's basically called Schema Builder. And you will know why I like this tool a lot, because it does help you to understand the data modeling of your existing org, or let's say you come to the org that you're not familiar at all and you're trying to explore the relationship, the field types, anything related to data types and data modeling existing on your org, right? So I did I did actually click the schema builder on the back end right now, and it did show up. This is how it looks like as a UI. It basically, each box represents an existing object in my org. Let's see. I don't want to see a lot of that right now, and see if I can actually go and scroll out. And let me make it clear for now. So on the left section, there's a button where you can click clear, right? Clear all. So I removed all of my objects from the canvas. Right now, we're very familiar with account object. And so I typed this here, and then I selected that. Now it's just brought to me my account object. And it did show me basically, let me zoom it in. And you can see that my account object, and it also does show me the fields that is available on my account object. I have account number as a form of text. I have account site text. I have a active and the field type is pick list. We do have more other items. We have a lookup, but we also have a self lookup in this case. So in order to better understand the relationship and representation of the relationship here, we want to bring more objects. So account, let's bring more contact. So I brought my contact. See, it's like kind of far. So on the bottom I can see the section of a little window, which I can actually scroll and play, and then easy to understand. But they're kind of far from each other. So what I can do and click auto layout. See, it kind of did bring those objects closer together, easier for me to understand. Now I can see some sort of lines between like account connected to contact, and you can see one circle, and it's colored blue. The reason is, it just basically tells you there's a relationship between account and contact. And account, in my case, has a relationship to contact as a parent, and it's a lookup relationship. And then you will ask how I determined. And actually, I will just say that by color. So if it's a lookup, then it just has a blue color relationship. If it's red, it has a master detail relationship. You guys got it? I hope you did. So I'm gonna bring more items. Let's bring opportunity. Let's bring task and cases and campaign. See how messy it can get, and then see how far they all got. And at this point, I already know you guys know how to bring them all together. I click auto layout. Now you can see all this mess, and now you can see the relationship between all of these objects. I mean, it's kind of it still makes it easier to understand, because in this case you see campaign has a lookup relationship to many items. It has relationship to opportunity, it has relationship to tasks. We have account, and we do have, let's see, opportunity. So I hope you guys understood this part. Okay. So you can also hide those relationships to avoid a mess if you have a lot of lines. So you can click on view option. You can just say hide relationship. Okay. So let's remove campaign. Let's remove task. Auto layout. Bring them all together. Okay. So now what I can do, I can also show legend. Now previously let me actually display element names and then show relationship, and then here's the legend, right? Basically explaining what each line represents. Okay, I hope you guys got that part. So that's that. On my next video, I do want to show you guys how to create fields using a schema builder. Well, hopefully you can support my channel, guys, and please subscribe, share the content. I'll be providing more videos on how you can be successful in Salesforce ecosystem. Thank you.